tone. Many voices, one moon. Many voices, one moon. Look at the sky when yearning to cry. We are all just pieces of the same puzzle. We must keep this in mind before we act rash and in a hustle. The curse may be lifted. We can unlatch our muzzles. Speak up, speak out, speak close, speak far. Speak the truth wherever you are. Many voices, one moon. Remember, we share the same stars. Release the chains that bind you. Too familiar, too comforting, maybe, but exciting, inspiring, enlightening, no. Not under those chains, so don't be afraid to break through or hold back. Be all that is you. We are all just pieces of the same puzzle. So be here. To be here is to be home. So be here or bust. Make the choice fast before it no longer lasts. Why are you scared of the ghosts of your past? They're not yours to hold on to. Let go of the ego that engages you. It's nothing more than tears and sorrow. Enjoy the moments of today, for you may not always have tomorrow.